Hello, everybody, and welcome back once again to our online session. Students, in our previous session, I had explained you half part of the chapter on Wings of Courage. Today, I am explaining you the remaining part. On August 1st, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force, Arjan Singh took over reins. Took over reins means took over control of IAF means Indian Air Force at a time when it was still rebuilding itself means that time Indian Air Force was in the situation of progress. It was doing nice progress and was gearing up means getting ready to meet new challenges, means to face new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency. The phrase flying currency means skills and experience of flying aircraft till his cash rank. Having flown over 60 different types of aircraft means Arjan Singh, he flew more than 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War second era. Era means duration, period, biplanes to the more contemporary. Contemporary means belonging to the present time. Gnats and vampires. So these are the types of aircrafts. He has also flown in transport aircraft like the Super Constellation. So in this way, he was expert in flying different types of aircrafts. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its operation, means when Pakistan started its military campaign against India, and the campaign's name was Grand Slam with an armored thrust. Here, thrust means desire, targeted at the vital town of Akhnur. Vital means important. Singh led IAF. That time, Arjan Singh guided Indian Air Force. He was the leader of Indian Air Force through the war with courage, determination. Determination means strong decisions and professional skill. So, in this way, we find that Arjan Singh, because of his talent, because of his courage, determination, and his skill, he guided the Indian Air Force against Pakistan. He inspired IAF to a victory despite the constraints. Constraints means restrictions, limitations imposed on the full scale use of Air Force combat power. Means Indian Army was not allowed to use its full strength. Then also India got the victory in that war. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute means sharp and intelligent leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently means after that, in recognition of the Air Force's contribution during the war, the rank of the CAS was upgraded and Arjan Singh became the first chief marshal of the Indian force. So, Indian Army rewarded him with the title of CAS, with the rank of CAS. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF. Means as long as he served in the IAF, he flew different types of aircrafts, visiting forward bases. Forward bases means a secured forward operating military positions and units and flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969. Thereupon means afterwards accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. Means after retiring from the Air Force, he was appointed as the ambassador of India in Switzerland. He was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. In this way, we find that even after the retirement, he served the country in different ways. Having been a source of inspiration means Arjan Singh is a source of inspiration for many people to all the personnel of armed forces through the years. Means for so many years he has been inspiring Indian people. The government conferred the rank, means gave the rank of the Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjan Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Force. So, for his hard work and for his talent, the government of India awarded him with 5-star rank officer in Indian Air Force. So, students, here we have completed the chapter.